Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some of the lights. I'm going to make up new brackets. The loom that I have is actually no good. The previous owner has hacked into it like nothing else. It's just become a rat's nest, so I've ordered a new one. Yeah, it was about $180 or something like that, so it was easier than just trying to chase back everything and rewire the whole thing. So today I'm going to do some of the lights, and I'm thinking about putting two little 4-inch ones around here somewhere, and I've got a light bar to go up the top, which will probably sit around here. I'm unsure yet, and I'm thinking about doing some diagonal supports for the winch just to come off here to here, just to strengthen it so it doesn't pull the frame out. Right, so what I've done so far is I've came over here and ground back the old mounting brackets just to change the look up a bit. I've cleaned the inside out so I can get a decent weld. I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to put these brackets. I'm just going to use a dash as a reference just so I know where I can mount the lights, and yeah, I just got to find a place where I like the look of. I've got these lights and I'm thinking possibly one of these on each side. So what I'm thinking is maybe some pipe across from here to here. Then I can mount these lights upside down like that across the bar. I just got to figure out what I want it to look like, because I want it to look alright. I'm just not sure if I want to use round bar, like a round bit of pipe, or if I want to use some RHS. Either way, I'm going to have to make sure it clears the dash, unless I make up some sort of custom dash for it. So I decided to go with some RHS. I've just got it sitting there at the moment. It's not tucked into place or anything. So I'm thinking about having the lights hanging there. I'll probably tap a thread in the bottom, weld them in, and yeah, I just got to make sure there's enough clearance so I can't really go down any further. But at the same time, if I want to put a new dash in it, it gives me another point where I can weld something in. There we go, all finished up. Welded in the bar, put a bit of a primer on there. Got the lights mounted up properly, so that's good. The top light bar's mounted temporarily. It's got a bit of a bend in the roof, so looks a bit out of place. But yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about the bar, but Looks better with the lights there. Gonna do a bit more welding around probably here to make it a bit wider and stronger. Probably something from there maybe to the lower part. Make it so it's got a bit more protection around your feet. And then I gotta finish off the winch. Still need to do the diagonal bracing and then run the fair lead and everything on top of that, so stay tuned for more.